Oo, ito. Hey guys, may kasama po kami. Alis na kami sa Batak.
Oh, the water is so clear, guys. You see? It's see-through. And we're here.
Dami.
Huh?
You can sit anywhere.
No, sa middle tayo. Guys.
The one hotel in the island, and the only hotel in the island. In your places, if you have 5-star hotels, 8 corridor, you have 12 to 1 star. You have 30.
Wala, paano magawa yun?
Reading by chain blocks. Then they're gonna transfer this push cart. They're gonna push exactly the gun barrel for reloading. Shell room, that's the shell. Cartridge room, that's the gunpowder. Okay? Are you ready to handle those?
Yes.
Okay. Just take pictures in the dark. Take pictures in the dark. Follows. The saliva that is take the nest, that's the one they gathered and made in the soup, the Chinese soup. Yeah, bird's nest soup. Dito soup or bird's nest soup. This gun can fire 17 miles, 20. This is not the hospital inside the tunnel. This only represents the situation inside the 1,000-bed hospital. General Douglas MacArthur. On March 2, 1945, when the Americans declared Corregidor totally liberated from the Japanese, there's an American flag raising ceremony happened at the Spanish flag pole. Colonel